Gonna show you here how to change out a bar tip on a chainsaw bar. This is a harvester bar here. New tip, rivets. This package would come in. It's for 404 harvester. Basically all the bars are the same kind of difference of how to change this out. But if you look here, these rivets got a little dimple on them. I just take and hit it with a grinder and grind them down flat so there's still a little dimple there yet. I beat them out with a hammer, I'll show you. Can't see the dimples yet. And I got this here. Just take and set it over like where that hole is. Got grip pliers, hold punch with it. Take the hammer, stick it in the middle of that dimple. There it is, one's out. Tips on, get your holes lined up. You take your rivet. I usually just stick them in from underneath. It's not all the way through. A little tap and it's through. It's protruding above. Just like that. It's done. Now, a little bit of lip around here. I'm going to adjust this bar real quick. So I'm just sitting here. A lot of times you're just going to want to hit it with a file, but this is a harvester bar, so it gets beat on pretty good, gets a pretty good lip, so I just hit it with a grinder. Been doing this for a long time, so I know what it takes to do it. If it's just a chainsaw bar, I just hit it with a file. But, so I change out a bar tip on one of these guys. Do it with a chainsaw bar, whatever. Some of them, the regular just non-replaceable bar tip, which would be this style here. These here rivets here will get knocked out, and you can put a new tip in these also. I'll show you what those look like. That's the style here. It's in this package, but anyways, you can see it's the same thing. Just punch them out and pound them in. Same as that. Stick the sprocket back in and line them all up and beat them. So. basically that's how you get her done, changing out bar tips.